Ever wondered why pro gamers swear by comfort? Today we unlock the top 6 Embody gaming chairs that transform play into pure joy. Stay tuned to feel every detail, level up your comfort, and finally eliminate fatigue. Welcome to the channel. Grab yours through the links in the description. On number 6 is Anda Seat Kaiser 4. Prepare to feel something you didn't expect from a gaming chair. The Anda Seat Kaiser 4 doesn't just hold you, it adapts to you in ways some of the top 6 Embody gaming chair alternatives only promise. For anyone who's battled lower backaches after long sessions at the desk, this chair's pop-out lumbar support truly stands out with adjustable angles that meet your posture where it actually needs help. The magnetic head pillow clings effortlessly and stays cool even when the intensity of play heats up, and the high-density cold cure foam balances softness with structure so you don't sink into a flop fest of padding. Fully adjustable 6D armrests allow alignment in all directions, a subtle perk that can make marathon sessions feel less like endurance and more like control. Compared to other premium ergonomic chairs you might see in the top tier alongside the Embody lineup, the Kaiser 4 brings a robust steel frame and smooth recline, plus rocking motions that feel satisfying, not flimsy. Some users note PU leather might show wear over time and setup can be fiddly, but for those seeking a personalized seating experience that alleviates real discomfort, this chair delivers practical relief that feels worth considering. At number 5 is PatioMage Ergonomic. Imagine sitting 10 hours straight and waking up feeling refreshed. It sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly the problem most people face before even considering a high-end ergonomic chair. Aching back, stiff hips, and endless chair regret. The PatioMage Ergonomic chair doesn't just promise comfort, it customizes itself to you with adjustable seat depth, adaptive lumbar support, and 3D armrests that rival the feel of premium chairs in the elite ergonomic gaming crowd like those in the top-tier Embody lineup. Tested for long day comfort, the mesh breathes, the steel-reinforced base feels solid, and you feel support in all the right places without that sinking chair sensation. Sure, it doesn't match the luxury material or patented pressure distribution systems found in chairs such as elite Embody designs with advanced cooling and ergonomic backfit tech, but PatioMage solves what matters most: real relief for your spine and legs at a much friendlier price. Pros are heavy-duty support, total adjustability, and cool airflow. Cons are mesh firmness and assembly time. If you want everyday comfort and smart ergonomic support without breaking the bank, this is worth grabbing. At number 4 is Herman Miller. What if the chair you choose could feel like it's molding your posture into a stronger version of yourself instead of just holding you up? That's the real challenge people face before investing in premium ergonomic seating: aches, tension, and fatigue from chairs that make big promises but deliver limp support. Herman Miller's Embody confronts that head-on with engineered innovations like pixelated support that distributes pressure and encourages micro adjustments as you shift, plus backfit and posture fit systems designed to keep your spine aligned naturally throughout long work or play sessions. Compared with standout entries from the broader ergonomic category, including chairs featured in discussions of the top 6 Embody gaming chair picks, it's not about gaming flair, but about sustainable comfort that adapts to your body's needs. Yes, it can feel firm at first, and some competitors offer more customizable armrest play, but once dialed in, the relief is tangible and real, especially if you've ever suffered back fatigue halfway through your day. For anyone who sits deeply engaged for hours and wants a chair that works with you rather than against you, this is the kind of investment that brings long-term ease and focus. On number 3 is GABRYLLY Ergonomic. From the minute you realize your old chair leaves your back screaming after long work or gaming sessions, the hunt for real support becomes personal, and that's exactly where the GABRYLLY Ergonomic Mesh office chair shines. Before buying, most of us deal with sore shoulders, stiff hips, and restless nights thinking a pricier seat, like the ergonomic giants you hear in top 6 Embody gaming chair discussions, will magically fix everything. But GABRYLLY takes a different, grounded approach by giving you thoughtful ergonomic support for head, back, hips, and hands with breathable mesh and adjustable headrest that keeps air flowing and stress down even after hours at your desk. The recline and flip-up armrests make space management easy and feel surprisingly flexible, and assembly is quick so you spend less time building and more time feeling relief. Sure, its tilt range isn't as fancy as premium racing desk seats, and the fixed lumbar won't wow posture purists, but for most users, this chair delivers real comfort without a luxury price tag. If you've ever swapped chairs hoping to find that just right feel and ended up disappointed, GABRYLLY might be the refreshing solution that actually keeps you sitting comfortably all day long. At number 2 is LiberNovo Dynamic. If you've ever felt like your chair fights your body more than it supports it, LiberNovo's Dynamic Ergonomic chair might feel like stepping into the future of seating, where the seat doesn't just hold you, it moves with you and actually reacts to your posture instead of begging you to adjust yourself around it. The Omni's Bionic FlexFit backrest tracks micro movements and aligns with your spine in real time, a concept that echoes the thoughtful ergonomic innovation you hear mentioned in discussions around chairs like those in the top 6 Embody gaming chair realm, but taken a step further with dynamic support that adapts as you lean, twist, or recline. Its Omni Stretch mode lets you recline up to 160 degrees and gently decompress your spine, almost like a built-in reset button after hours of work or gaming. But be real about expectations. The motor and adjustment system can feel loud and tech-heavy, and taller users sometimes find the seat depth less forgiving than competitors. Compared with static designs and premium seats, this dynamic system feels alive, easing lower back tension and keeping posture aligned. Yet the company's support and long-term durability are still proving themselves. If you want cutting-edge comfort and a chair that responds to you rather than forces you to adapt, this might be the seat where relief finally feels like movement rather than sacrifice. Now moving to the last one is COMHOMA Deluxe. It's crazy how many chairs look good in photos but leave you sore and restless after a full workday. But COMHOMA Deluxe aims to flip that narrative by wrapping you in comfort with its deluxe embossing, pocket spring lumbar support, and spacious reclining seat that lets you stretch back up to 150 degrees with an integrated footrest for total decompression. Before this, buyers usually wrestle with stiff hips and nagging back tension, thinking only premium ergonomic chairs like those mentioned alongside the top 6 Embody gaming chair picks deliver real relief. But COMHOMA packs heavy-duty SGS certified lift and BIFMA certified base stability into a package that feels secure and restful throughout the day. The plush PU leather and wide seat create a sofa-like feel that's rare at this price, though some may find the bonded leather slightly firm initially, and the bulky wingback style needs room to spread out. Compared with slick racing-style ergonomic seats, this chair sacrifices flashy adjustability for grounded comfort you can sit in for hours. Perfect for those craving relief without the premium sticker shock. Would you pick function over flair for everyday comfort? You should go with Anda Seat Kaiser 4 because it blends advanced ergonomic design and customizable comfort that works for work, play, and long sessions. It features 6D armrests and a pop-out lumbar system that adapts to your posture, balancing support and flexibility better than most alternatives. Its high-density cold cure foam and magnetic head pillow keep you comfortable hour after hour, and the adjustable recline and rocking modes make it versatile for desk or gaming setups, even compared to chairs often discussed around the top 6 Embody gaming chair topic. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 Embody gaming chair. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.